Yes, my people, big up. Blessings, is it? Enough respect, man. Right now, people, I'm telling this, right now, I'm in a no good mood. I'll be honest. I'm in a no nice mood. I'm in a no happy mood. You get me? I'm even not doing no news right now, to how I feel right now. You understand? Because, yo, you see all of who keep on a report my videos, them. You see all of who come on my channel and start report my videos, them. Remember, me telling you, you know. You see, even if you don't stop my channel, you know I get stopped. Remember, yo, you know how much work I put in for create my thing. You know, I spend money for you create my thing. You understand? Or not stop report my thing, them. Remember, you know. You don't know this, you know. But remember, me not have to dem amongst people for nothing to reach Tony, you know. Me not have, yo, just remember, me tell you that. You know how hard me put in, people. You see a newlink just there by himself in a one corner and I do him thing. You understand? Newlink not trouble nobody, you know. If you not come on my channel on the intent for be disrespectful and tell me if I suck out my mother, I tell me black on off on my channel. You understand? So if I uno and if I saw that vlogger, fagger, one name, I report my thing. Just remember, and I say, you don't know who's newlink, Zin. You know I'm telling the people, you know me always I say, for the wicked smarty, you know, them get the cheer. And I say they mob him. You understand, for your wicked. So why now? Either come in a year head if you come on my channel, right? Which me not trouble nobody. And I go take my videos them and I flag them every minute. Like you can't wait for me make a post for you flag my videos them. You see it? Every day on a daily basis, you know. Me not trouble uno. Zin. Why you don't find time to create that channel or go look for a picnic on the unwanted picnic one that got or one or do or whatever you want go do and leave me thing alone. Eh? Now make me get angry now, man. When not leave me thing alone. If you not no life I go find a job for do or something, man. When you come off of my thing and leave me thing alone. Eh? Every minute you start report man thing. Yo, remember me telling you, you know. So me post me make, yo, when we just do the punch all when the finger with on and just numb on you know. No, I won't play it, you know. Me not joke to you, no. Me say, make me punch this, for flag my video on and stick and can't move. Remember, never move back. Zin, when you leave me things alone. Remember, me telling you, you know, leave me things alone. I work hard to create my thing. If you don't want to create a channel, you know, go on and ask me for ideas how to do it. Leave me thing. One is a bad mind. You know, if you see a YouTube, me live off of, eh? I have a 9 to 5, more than one 9 to 5. You hear that? Zin? Me not unwanted. You understand? Me have a wife, me have a family. You don't leave me thing alone. You get me? Me say me not joke. Me really serious na people. Leave me thing alone. You get me? And any of me see one more flag come from you remember me tell you that. Una go see. And una go did if you see it. I want to create a video and say, yeah, newlink make that reach. You know, remember me telling that. Me not a joke thing. Una leave me thing. If you not like my videos, then una like my channel, man. If you not dip on you and like it, una leave it and go on about the business. All the other people who like my thing, man. See? How much fans me about there? Eh? Una block me from my live now. See? And I still come and report my thing them again. This man me wake up and I come so my next report come again. Eh? Yo, no leave my things alone, man. People me there, me no trouble nobody. Zin, me just do my vlogs them, me just do people them news and people love me things. So why people should have come and try to break me down? Look what blogger out there and fuckers me see put up much dirty video. Eh? Much video with this and with that nudity video on and my thing on a choose to come report. Eh? Why you not chose me? Me asking a wrong person you mess with. You notice newlink? Me just do my vlogs them and everything. You notice? But you know who is me, you know? Leave me things alone. I'm serious to yo as God live it. Me very serious. Me ain't no joke thing. Me say you go push no finger and it cannot move. And remember, this is a warning. No joke. I don't think this serious, but remember say this serious. You understand? Me they close to 80. Remember that. You just remember that. You leave me things alone. And me not talk again, you know. It hurt me, you know, people. If you see all the people and start report me thing. Look there. Me come so, me do my good research them. See? Me get me yo. You know what you me put in at these people? You don't think it easy? You don't think it easy nights when me feel asleep, me have to do this and I do this and I do that. Eh? You don't think it easy? But all of my fans them, look here. You just please, see? Subscribe to my other YouTube channel, Newlink Production Return. Please, just make we build up that channel because right now them people just subscribe to it because I need to go live. You understand? That's just the reason why I want. Because I need to go live where I can talk to my fans them. So all of my fans them, Newlink Production Return, and me at the picture and I go see me. You understand? Just subscribe to that channel. You know, now what videos on the pan because I try to build it up because I need to go live with my fans, them, my people, and I need to hear, you know, we need to talk, we need to have this relationship when I talk to my fans, them. See? So these haters now, when you come on intend to be disrespectful and start about something and everything, when you get black, see? What? You no come and want to be disrespectful. You can be disrespectful, but when you reach so far and tell me, say go suck my mother, I want to expect me to alone if still a comment on my thing, and I go tell other people to suck their mother and them thing there. Yo, we don't know who is Newlink. That's all me can tell you now. Zine, alright now my wife now happy. Because when me sad, she's sad too. She not like them the things there. So when uno go do that and mess around my thing now, uno don't know what uno do. Are the wrong person uno mess with. Remember me telling that. You see the hand they wanna use and we even reach further than the hand to uno know who is Newlink. To all of my real people them, you know, so we don't really want to mix in a certain thing, but you see, sometimes you have to take things to the another level. Me I be honest to the people. I just say go. Sometimes you have to just take things to another level. Because them don't know who is Newlink. They don't know all the things there. This is Newlink production, you know. And everything I see right there so. What you know is a computer, more than one computer run to my thing, plus phone, plus tablet run to my thing. Everything. So see everything I don't know what I go on with YouTube and the people who work with YouTube want to report, every information come back to me personally. So you know easy for chat done. Remember, erase it if you reach and I hear it to reach, you know. But people, I'm just blessed up with the have a productive day. I'm sorry for how me do that video. You know, so you link in there something about you know my meds mash up people. It hurt for see how the people are dealing with my channel. It hurt. Look how my channel good for a couple months well now. And the people start by my thing. It hurt man, John know people. It hurt.